Many people have shown interest in their decision to transition into tech in 2025, and a lot of people have been asking me what aspect of tech should I venture into, and what is tech generally. Okay, so I'm going to be in a series of videos explaining the different aspects. Today I'm going to be focusing on software development. If you want to transition into tech in 2025, you will need about 6 months to practice software development and to learn how to code to be able to become a software developer. So, who are software developers? You must have heard people mention software engineer, web application developers, mobile app developers, DevOps engineers. All of them are all categorized as software engineers. So, software engineers are people that build mobile applications, they build web applications, the website from where you fill application forms online, social media apps, all of them that you can make mention of. Those are the applications that are being built by software engineers. And how do you become a software engineer? A lot of people have also asked, have spoken to me about questions around. I'm not a science student. I don't know mathematics. Mathematics has nothing to do with software development. All we do in software development is data algorithm, writing if and else statements, and understanding data structure, data types, and etc. So that is what basically software development is all about. So you code and you choose a programming language with which you want to be coding. There are some languages like HTML, CSS. They are called web languages for building web applications for the UI. Then when you now come to deep programming languages, you want to talk about JavaScript, you want to talk about TypeScript, you want to talk about PHP, Python, Java, Go, Ruby on Rails. There are a lot of programming languages you can choose from, but like I used to advise most people that they should focus mostly on uh, on programming languages that have very high demand. There is demand in the market. For instance, JavaScript and TypeScript has a very high demand, and you want to talk about the frameworks that you need to focus on. So, if you are starting out as a software engineer, you first of all go and learn HTML, CSS, then JavaScript. Then after that, you can now learn TypeScript. Then after that, when you are done with that, you can now move to learning JavaScript framework like React, Next.js, and for the backend, you can learn Express.js and Next.js. They can be a bit confusing if you are starting out newly, but if you focus on taking it step up after the other, you will definitely in 6 months be ready to take your first entry role as a software engineer. I have an amazing YouTube channel which I've dropped here in my channel before, where you can learn software development for those who want to learn. I started from the scratch from HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Then I'll be adding more videos to talk about TypeScript, to talk about React, and all of those frameworks. So if your decision is to transition into software development in year 2025, you should start planning of what you want to, how you want to go about it now, the things you need to put in place, and it is very simple. Anyone can become a software engineer if you give your mind, your spirit, and your passion to what you want to learn. So that is what software development is all about. If in form of a recap, software developers simply write code for machines, for their machines, for computers to read and interpret. They write mobile applications app. They engage in DevOps and all of that. So that is what software development is all about. So my YouTube channel is in the description of this video. You can click and start your learning on transitioning into software development.